If you look at the polls where only 21% of the electorate, the registered voters, voted for the Andrew Holness-led JLP, and in fact, somewhere near 64% of the electorate didn't vote at all, it's indicative that people really do want substance. They want a leader who they can trust. They want a leader who engages with them in a substantial way and who, I think, brings an approach to governance which is ethical and moral, and which has a respect of all levels of society. The youth are critical, of course, and we need to engage them. And, I personally am interested in the culture and the music and sports and so on. And I believe as my profile is lifted with this campaign and young people get to know me, I believe I will be able to attract the youth vote as well. But that is not to the exclusion of the more mature and older voters, who have experience and who we need to appeal to as well. And that is an important part of our base. So we don't want to alienate them. We want to embrace them as well. I wanted to send a signal to the delegates and to the party that this is a big tent I want to build and all are welcome. We're in the very early stages of the campaign. Not everybody who is expressing support is yet willing to come out publicly for one reason or another. These are persons who had indicated their willingness to come out at this time and say they're supporting Mark Golding. And of course, Angela Brown-Burke is my neighbor down across Maxfield Avenue. She's somebody I've grown to have tremendous respect and regard for, and she's a close political associate of mine, and I was just very happy to have her with me yesterday. There's more work to be done in talking to some of the people who have not yet come on board and encouraging them to support me.